I mean, if you want, I'll just put your pictures in there. I'll be like, yeah, this is Daryl, this is Matt, and these guys are helping me out. And Matt. And welcome to Daryl's Garage. Today, we are going to fix our Street Fighter. What do you think, man? Do you think there's a DB in there?
There's no DB.
I'm like, these guys got DB and shit. Why didn't I get them?
Oh.
It's over here. If there is, I want to take it out. If there is one, I want to take it out. A lot. First, here goes the red. Voila. It's all the way down there.
Give you another at least half-inch of clearance too.
So right, we are going to paint this thing black. And probably.
Nope.
Well, just be careful with the steering here. You have to. Yeah. I was about to figure that. Holy shit, look at this thing.
Yeah, you wanted to know where your weight loss was. There's your weight.
Look at this.
I mean, I guess in a way it's good that everything was black right there, but. Damn, bro.
She's naked now. Yeah, it's crazy. Alright, so we are in like the middle phase of the exhaust changing process right now. A little small setback. The exhaust clamp bolt broke on us, which was the OEM one, the OEM ones. Yeah, the clamp that goes in here and the bolt that holds it broke. So my guy has gone to AutoZone to find out if there is any that we can use from there. But it's okay, it's just a little setback so far. We got the gold tape all over there. We got the front, the back end mounted and ready to go. We need the clamp to secure it, and the pipe's gonna go right on top of it. Yeah, it's already taken us a little over like 3 hours for everything we're doing, and we still got a lot more to do. Well, we got the passenger pegs out. Well, that's really nice, and I'm getting the spacers painted black so that it matches my aesthetics in here. And yeah, just the pipe goes in there and this thing will start to roar.
1 hour later.
Alright, first start, hoping for the best. Alright, a quick updates on all the mods that we put on Shadow. On Sunday we got these Ducati Performance. I don't know if I can focus it, but whatever. I got the Ducati Performance blinkers, side lights, whatever you call them. I think these looks very minimalistic, very bright, and very cool on this bike. Look, just by removing those two big blinkers, now it looks so much better, so much meaner, I would say. And by mean, I got the Rizoma drag bar. You see how it's not curved handlebars anymore, but a straight line. This gives me that aggressive and sportier feeling on a Street Fighter. So it's like riding a Panigale without all those useless fairings. You see? So I got the best of both worlds here: a naked bike with a straight drag bar, and of course an addition while adding this Rizoma bars were to add this Rizoma Bar Ends, Rizoma by Ducati by Rizoma, whatever. Yeah, so we couldn't use the OM one, so we had to get a new one on both sides, bar ends. And we finally got rid of the passenger pegs. Even though I had removed the passenger seat long time ago, I hadn't removed the passenger pegs, but now they are removed. They are replaced by these spacers, which Ducati makes them just for this purpose. It comes in a titanium, but I spray painted it so black. I mean, no one's gonna notice, but look how hidden it is. So this is the look of the bike. Clean, seats just flying over there, and right in this part, the highlight of the mods is the Austin Racing exhaust, the GP1R. The Austin Racing GP1R. This exhaust is loud. Full titanium pipes with black ceramic can. Carbon fiber can with black ceramic top. I got the ceramic instead of titanium on the top because it matches my bike's aesthetics a bit more. See how it's all green and black and not a lot of silver. So yep, so that's all we got going. Blinkers, exhaust, pegs, handlebars, and the bar ends. We'll give you guys a startup on this new exhaust and let you hear the sound, do some riff bombs on it. Alright, let's get on to that now. Okay, so let's start her up, and yeah, I hope these guys don't get scared. Yeah, it's very loud. So here goes nothing. I just love how this sounds, man. Ready for some bombs? Yeah, let me sit there over here. Whoa. Alright. That's it. Oh my god, I love this. I love this.
The next day. I think I should put this in sports mode. Let's put this thing in sports mode. Sports, let's go. I like how easily I can lean on these, man. Oof, drag bars, you beauty. Oh, I love this road. And I love this drag bar, man. Now there are cars. That was nice.